Some animes entertain you, some animes impress you, and then there are animes that make you feel like a child again. Today we are talking about the Witch Hat Altered, the fantasy anime that suddenly became one of the most talked anime series in this anime community. And honestly, after watching it, I understand the hype. At first, the Witch Hat Altered looks like a simple anime about witches, but the moment the story starts, you realize there is something very different in it. Now, the story follows the Coco, a normal girl living in a world where magic exists, but society says only chosen people can use magic. Where Coco loves magic more than anything, but she constantly told the same thing: you can never become a witch. And then one day she discovers the biggest secret in the world. Magic is not something people are born with. It is drawn. Every spell is created using magic symbols, circles and patterns, and honestly that instantly becomes one of my favorite magic system in the anime, because the magic here actually feels magical. Not random, not overhyped, but magical. Every spell has a logic behind it. Small mistakes completely change the outcomes, and because of that, watching characters learn magic becomes incredibly satisfying. Now let's talk about the visuals. This anime is absolutely beautiful. Every frame looks like a moving fantasy painting. The background, the clothing, lighting, architecture and the spell effects all feel carefully crafted. Instead of trying too hard to look flashy, the anime focuses on atmosphere, soft lighting, ancient fantasy vibes, and also detailed environments. And honestly, it feels refreshing. Modern fantasy anime sometimes feel copy-paste, but Witch Hat Altered feels personal. This is one of the biggest reasons people online are loving it. I checked the Reddit discussions and anime forums, and most viewers are saying the same thing. This anime makes fantasy feel magical again, and that's perfectly explains the hype. People are tired of generic isekai stories and overpowered main character. Witch Hat Altered focuses on the imagination, curiosity and wonder. That emotional feeling is why it is trending so hard right now. Another reason this anime exploded is because manga readers have been hyping it for years. Many people already consider the manga one of the best fantasy manga ever made. So expectations for this anime were massive, and thankfully the adaptation actually delivered. The anime also became popular because it looks incredible in screenshots and clips. Almost every scene looks like wallpaper worthy. That helped it to spread everywhere like Instagram and YouTube shorts. Now let's talk about the characters. Coco is honestly one of the most lovable protagonists in the recent fantasy anime. She feels human, she gets scared, she makes mistakes, but her passion for magic feels genuine, and that makes her journey easy to connect with emotionally. The side characters also feel interesting without trying too hard, and the anime handles emotions in a very beautiful way. It doesn't scream drama at you, it slowly pulls you into the world. And now this anime is perfect? No. Some people may find the pacing bit slow. If you only watch action heavy animes, this series may feel calm at first. The story focuses more on the atmosphere and the world building than non-stop fighting. But honestly, the slower pacing is a part of what makes the anime feel special. So, watch or drop it. Watch it if you love fantasy worlds, emotional storylines, beautiful animation and intelligent magic systems. Maybe skip it if you only want non-stop actions. No, for my honest rating, story is 9 out of 10, visuals are 10 out of 10, world building also 10 out of 10, overall rating is solid 9.3 out of 10. Witch Hat Altered feels less like a seasonal anime and more like the beginning of the future fantasy classic. It reminds the people why fantasy stories became popular in the first place, not because of the power scaling but because of the wonders. And honestly, that feeling is rare. So yes, the Witch Hat Altered is actually worth watching, and if the adaptation continues at this level, this could become one of the greatest fantasy anime of this generation. What do you think? Does this Witch Hat Altered deserve the hype, or is the anime community overrating it? Comment below. And if you enjoy this review, subscribe to Anime PTB for more deep dive and honest review. Until that, bye bye, sayonara and stay magical.